In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the strap and faceplate off your Meta Quest 3, so that you have the least chance of breaking your new VR headset. Anyway, let's get straight into the video.
So as you can see, we have our Meta Quest 3, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these side pieces that are holding the strap onto the headset. And to do that, you want to grab this little plastic lip right here, and you want to go ahead and pop it off exactly how I did it. These side pieces are much easier to pop off compared to the Quest 2, so I wouldn't be stressed out about this part. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the top part of the strap, and to do that, we're just going to pull this adjustment Velcro piece through the front part of the faceplate. This part is a little tough, so you might have to push it through slightly. Once the strap is fully off, we're going to move on to the faceplate, which is probably the scariest part of this process. But don't worry, I'm going to take you through step by step. There are 4 points that are connecting the faceplate to the headset, which is right here, and on the bottom is right here and right here. First, you want to go ahead and pop out the bottom 2, which is pretty easy to do. And once the bottom part of the faceplate is disconnected from the headset, to disconnect the top part of the faceplate, you want to grab the faceplate exactly how I am, and don't be afraid to give it a decent pull. And then you just want to do the exact same thing to the other side, and it should pull off fairly easily. Now that you have everything disconnected, you might want to know how to put it back together. To reconnect the faceplate, it's pretty simple. You just have to pop it back in exactly like how I'm showing. It's a lot easier than disconnecting it. Now we're going to get the strap and pop in the side pieces. And for each side, you're going to start from the bottom, and you're going to click it in and slowly start making your way up. And then the whole thing should be connected. Then you just want to do the exact same thing to the other side. And now for getting this top adjustment strap in, it's a little bit harder than you think. What made the process 10 times easier for me is getting a decently long piece of electrical tape and taping it onto the top of the adjustment strap, just like how I'm doing it. And there should be a bit of extra tape on the end, where when you stick it into the slot, the little extra piece of tape should pop out, and you can use it to help pull the rest of the strap through. Once you get the strap all the way through, you can take the little piece of tape off, and after that, you're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, but before you go, if you want to watch my review and setup tutorial of the Meta Quest 3, go ahead and click on this video right here so you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.